Hi again, it's Karen. Today we were reading the book I'm Dirty by Kate and Jim McMullen. So I decided to make this beautiful excavator truck out of shapes. So you guys, can you help me say the shapes in English and Spanish? What do we have here? Un rectángulo. A rectangle. Very good. Now, what do we have here? Yes, circles, círculos. And what do we have over here? Yes, a triangle, un triángulo. We have a square, very good, un cuadrado. And finally, we've got a semicircle, un semicírculo, and it can be looking like a triangle if you put a line underneath. We'll also provide you with tissue paper so you can create either your rocks or your charcoal for your craft. At home, you will need some scissors, tijeras. If parents feel comfortable, you can use scissors, and you'll be using glue, goma, pega, pegamento, however you want to call it. Remember that you can decorate your truck however you want because every creation is beautiful. Okay? Call us 561-965-2204. Hasta pronto. Adiós.